Business. What makes this degree easy? Due to the popularity of this degree, many schools offer it fully or partially online. This makes it easier for students to find a school that's a better fit and potentially more affordable. Paying less for an education can provide breathing room for those who need an easier financial option. As an added bonus, the skills and knowledge learned through this degree program are useful for everyday life, such as managing cash flow and business communication. Typical courses: microeconomics, financial accounting, managerial accounting, marketing and organizational theory and behavior, finance and business ethics. Where to get it? The University of Alabama. Typical program length 120 credit hours. Available completely online? Yes. Liberal arts. What makes this degree easy? A liberal arts degree seldomly requires a high level mathematics course, a huge bonus for those who are not good with numbers. A liberal arts degree is an inherently broad field of study, allowing students to sample or study a wide range of topics and issues. That's why the liberal arts degree serves as the perfect stepping stone to a related master's degree or to professional degrees such as law. Typical courses: world history, research and writing, world religions, intercultural communication, world literature, art, philosophy, and foreign language. And where to get it? Northern Arizona University. And typical program length 120 credit hours and available completely online. Yes, leadership in the public sector. What makes this degree easy? This degree opens doors to a variety of leadership opportunities in the public sector. It can also create advanced educational pathways in related subjects such as political science, education, international relations, and more. Those who have an associate degree might find that moving into a leadership degree program is a great use of their already earned credits and allowing them to complete the program in half the time it would normally take. And typically courses and education. What makes this degree easy? Education degrees provide students with a wide range of specialization options from early childhood education (ECE) and secondary education to special education or administration. Students who earn a degree in education may also qualify for certain tuition reimbursement or loan forgiveness programs, which can reduce the cost of their higher education significantly. Uh, and now we are going to discuss about English. What makes this degree easy? For those whom grammar, reading, or writing come naturally, this degree allows a formal education in a topic for which they already have solid understanding. Like education, an English degree has numerous applications when it comes to advanced education or career options. Many English majors go on to teach, write professionally, or pursue a law degree. Typical courses and nursing BSN. What makes this degree easy in the academic sense? A Bachelor of Science in Nursing is not an easy degree, however, it provides some of the best job prospects at graduation of any undergraduate program, while an accredited nursing program will not be completely online. Most online nursing programs allow completion of the hands on clinical requirements at any approved healthcare facility near the student's location. This can also be a relatively quick degree as there are numerous accelerated options allowing those who are already nurses to quickly obtain their BSN credentials. Criminal justice. What makes this degree easy? At least this degree is very popular because it prepares students for a variety of careers, including law enforcement, legal practice, and court administration. It's also a great stepping stone to the universities due to its popularity and students can expect to find criminal justice classes at many colleges, universities, vocational schools, and technical schools. This provides a second reason for the ease in which students can get a criminal justice degree. It allows students the option to start their degree on a traditional campus and complete it online.